Hey, let me ask you something. Do you want to speak English confidently in just 6 months? Imagine having real conversations, understanding movies, and speaking without fear, all in half a year. In today's episode, I'm going to show you a step-by-step plan that you can follow, even if you're a beginner, to become fluent in English faster than you ever thought possible. We'll talk about what to do each month, how to practice smart, and how to stay motivated every single day. So stay with me until the end, because this might be the plan that finally works for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the word fluent. What does it really mean? Fluent does not mean perfect. It doesn't mean you speak like a native or never make mistakes. Fluent means you can communicate easily and naturally. You can understand people, and they can understand you. You can have conversations, explain your ideas, and feel confident. That's the goal, not perfection, but freedom. And now, let's see how you can reach that level in just 6 months. Alright, here's your plan. If you follow this, step by step, you can become fluent in English in just 6 months. All you need is daily practice, even just 30 minutes, the right tools, and the right strategy. Let's go month by month. Month 1. Build your base. Learn the most common 1,000 words in English. These are used in 80% of daily conversations. Focus on simple grammar, present, past, and future. Use beginner apps like Duolingo or Memrise for 20 minutes a day. Watch easy English videos or cartoons with English subtitles. Practice making short sentences like, I like coffee. I went to work. I will study later. One goal is understand and build simple, correct sentences. Month 2. Speak every day. Start speaking English out loud every day, even if you're alone. Try the shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately. Use speaking apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to talk to real people. Learn to talk about yourself. Who you are, what you do, what you like, your daily routine. Use your phone camera to record your practice. The more you dedicate yourself, you will see more results and faster. This is going to help you build speaking confidence and sound more natural. Month 3. Train your listening. Start watching short videos or shows in English. Use English subtitles only. Listen to easy English podcasts or audiobooks while walking, cleaning, or on the bus. Write down and review new words you hear. Try to understand the main idea, not every word. This is going to improve your understanding of real spoken English. Month 4. Speak in full sentences. Don't just say words, say full thoughts. For example, instead of coffee, say, I drink coffee every morning because it helps me focus. Record yourself talking about different topics. Find a language partner and have short conversations, 3x per week. Start thinking in English, not just translating from your native language. This is going to help you speak clearly, naturally, and with more detail. Month 5. Real-life English. Use English in your daily life. Change your phone to English. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to yourself in English while cooking or walking. Follow English accounts on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Write short texts, emails, or diary entries in English every day. And continue to do all the tips daily. Month 6. Go full English mode. Spend at least 1 hour a day fully in English. Watch shows without subtitles. Speak English with confidence, even if you make mistakes. Join online communities where people speak English. Celebrate your progress. You've come a long way. Think, speak, and live in English as much as possible. Here are a few extra tips that can make a big difference. Don't wait to speak. Start from day one, even if it's not perfect. Focus on communication, not grammar rules. Make English part of your daily life. Enjoy the process. Watch shows, listen to music, talk to people. Stay consistent. 15 to 30 minutes a day is better than 3 hours once a week. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep going. So, can you really become fluent in English in 6 months? Yes, if you follow this plan and practice every single day. Speak more, listen more, enjoy the journey, and fluency will come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning English too. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep going, you've got this.